All right, guys, we are back with Fit Family Challenge number 3, and this one is going to be interesting. This time we've picked a challenging exercise that each of us is only capable of getting a couple reps of, but what we've learned from our past 2 challenges is how quickly the body can adapt to something new. Our kids are determined to make this a challenge, and everybody's up for it. We're excited to see how this one plays out. All right, guys, let's see how this goes. Maybe they're curious what she's picking for the dinner. What's Jasmine?
Oh, yeah.
I want some onion rings.
She did say onion rings. Okay. You can still get
I
onion
want
rings.
some chicken tenders.
Chicken tenders? From where? Stop!
What's so cute, Danny?
Quad.
His quad, look at that leg. That's crazy. What's up, perfectly blended family, and welcome back to another video. I'm Chantel.
I'm Greg.
I'm Amaya.
I'm Jasmine. I'm Danny.
And
I
guys,
didn't know I'm Dane King Too Lit.
Dane King too lit. What? And guys, today is the Fit Family Pistol Squat Challenge finale.
And guys, I'm totally gonna win. I'm at 783, and the rest 300, and some of them are 500. Like, I'm totally gonna win.
How many are you gonna do tonight?
I'm gonna.
Wait. But before we get into it, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell
Up there.
so when we drop a new video, you're alerted. All right, guys, let's get into it. All right, guys, so 30 days of pistol squats. We have built some really good quads, and we are going to show you, but at the end. So, Jasmine, since you're in the lead, tell us, how are you going to finish off this challenge? Today's day 30. How many are you going to get?
I'm gonna at least try to do 30 or more.
Okay, fair enough. I want to see this happen. Amaya, you ready?
Yeah.
Danny, are you ready?
Yes!
Greg, you ready to lose?
I'm in 4th place right now, so the
just
gaps
kidding.
between all of us, like the final score is already there.
Yeah.
Like there's nobody's gonna change position tonight.
It's so true. But you know what? It's the last night, and we're going to give it our best, and we're going to show the family what's possible when you stay consistent for 30 days, how you can tone up your legs. Get some summer legs. All right, guys, who's up first?
Me? No, I'm last.
I'm second last.
Danny's first. I remember him saying
Yeah.
that.
Yay.
First.
Yay. Okay, yay. All right, guys, let's get into this.
Oh. Ouch. Ouch.
There we go. All right, buddy. How many are you going to get tonight?
I'll probably get up to 10.
10? That's
10
good.
or 30.
Okay, you're going to do them properly? You're going to give it all you got? All right.
You ready?
Here, where's my dab? Yes, get this, okay? Who's got the timer?
Me.
Jasmine, you got the timer?
Yep.
All right, Maya's just freezing in the garage. Should warm up.
Are you ready, Danny?
Daddy's over here
When I come back, you need it.
warming
okay?
up.
Okay.
All right, Danny. Let's see what you got. Okay. We are starting with the left leg first. All right, Danny, let's go. Whenever you're ready, just drop and the timer will start.
Danny, left leg.
1.
Remember, face that way.
This is not your left.
Face that way.
There you go. Yep. 2.
Straight leg. The other leg's gotta stay straight.
Straight up.
That's not straight.
3.
Come on.
Yes. 4.
Good job.
5.
Come on. Keep going.
6.
6.
He's gonna get his 10. 7.
Wait. 8.
Oh, that's a catch. Come on. 8.
Come on, keep going.
9. Let's go, Danny. 10. Ooh, 11.
11.
Keep your legs straight. Keep your legs straight.
Better? 13?
Oh!
13!
13!
Woo, 13!
I said I was going to get 13.
You did? Okay. Yeah! All right, buddy. How does that feel? 13 on the left to end off the 30-day challenge? That's awesome. You said that you were going to do 10 and you got 13.
Yeah.
That's amazing. High five.
I said 10 or more like 13.
Danny, you did it. Good job.
You would say 30.
No, I said.
Totally said 30.
You said 30?
No, I said 13.
You said 13, y'all.
Replay!
How many are you going to get tonight?
I'll probably get up to 10.
10? That's
10
good.
or 30.
Who's up next?
You.
Me?
Yes.
Jasmine, you're up next.
No, I said I
Jasmine's
was
last and I'm second last.
Am I
Right,
ready?
Greg? Yes, are you ready?
Let me tell you how yesterday was leg day.
knew
It
you were
always
gonna say
falls
that.
that way.
Every day's leg day.
But you want to know the joke, Greg?
What's up?
Today was leg day for me. This is my first day doing
So you're
pistol
warmed
squat.
up.
No, it's actually not. No, I'm not warmed up. My legs are sore, and you know that.
I don't know that.
You do.
I did my volume day yesterday, and I am feeling it today.
How many are you gonna get?
10.
Okay, get your 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Oh, come on.
Come on, it's the last day.
I forgot to start the timer.
11, 12.
That's it.
Good job. How was that?
Slap.
Rough. But I got my 12,
I'm proud of you.
which puts me into
Fourth.
4th place.
All right, guys, I'm up next. Getting my final stretch in.
Stretch those quads.
Yes, sir.
All right, Mom. How many are you going to get tonight?
How many did I get last time?
26. 26 last day. Wasn't a leg day.
No, it wasn't, but I don't know. Like, I'd like to beat 26. What are you mouthing to them?
Thank you.
21. That's my
I'm gonna
guess.
shock you out the water.
Please do.
I will.
Please do.
I will.
All right. Impress us all, Mom.
We'll see what I get.
Ready to go?
I think so.
How do they feel?
A little tight.
You stretching out.
Yeah, your stretches. But yeah. No, honestly, I'm born ready, so let's go.
All right. Get it.
Okay, ready?
Timer. Jazz, you got it?
Yep.
All right. Let's go.
1, 2, 3,
3. Straight leg, Mom.
4, 5,
5.
6,
At the top, Danny.
7,
7.
8,
8.
9,
Oh
Yep.
10,
10.
11,
Shock us, Mom. Shock us.
12,
13.
14,
14. Push. 15. 16. 17. 18. Straight leg. Don't kick it to the side. 19. 20. 21. 22. 23.
That's a cat.
No, that was good. 24. 25. I think you do 26.
That's 25.
I think she gets 26.
Oh my gosh! I really pushed. So close to 27.
That was barely 26, but it was so
Stop!
close to 27.
Bruh. Why are you guys so mean to me?
Jasmine called it 25. I'm going to give you 26 because you're at least on your way up on that one. But it definitely wasn't close to 27.
Got down and the timer went, so I was
Yeah.
25.
Oh,
Give
the
me
kids
what
want
you
to say
want.
25.
Fine, just let it be 25.
Doesn't change your spot.
Okay.
Okay, it was a
25.
clean 25. Fair
All right.
enough. All right, Mom. Good
All
job.
right. Who's up next?
Maya.
Amaya.
Amaya's up next.
Let's go.
She's so excited.
Look at her.
She's got so much energy. She's ready to go. She's going to destroy
I'm
us
so
all.
tired.
Her last score was 21. Is she gonna beat it?
Nope. No.
All right, Amaya. Day 30. The last day. Pressure is on.
We're all gonna be in the same place.
You're in second.
Do the best you can.
That's right. Do the best you can. 1, 2,
Keep that leg out front.
3. Straight up. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, what am I? 18, 19,
19.
20. Come on, Amaya. 21, 22,
Oh, wow.
23. Woo!
Good job.
Okay, go get water. Yes, good job.
You killed it. That
You
was
did.
awesome.
Thank you.
How was that?
So I think you did better than you expected.
Yeah.
I called 22. You got 23?
Honestly, I thought she was gonna beat me. I'm like, oh, she's gonna get me.
That was
And
so close. You did good.
secretly, one of my goals was just to like keep beating her, and I did it.
But I'm still above you, so.
It's true, but
Secretly, I would go. I always.
Sorry, I'm looking at the board there to just
the
see where
thing
we're all
is,
at.
if we keep going, if we were to keep this challenge going, I would catch up like that.
I don't
And
think
as
you
you're
would.
catching up, I would keep
Because I would see you coming and be like, oh, time to increase the gap.
going. Yep.
Because she could totally do it.
Secretly, I always go last to see who gets the biggest number to see if
Do
I
you
could.
hear this? What she just said? Say that again.
That was my strategy at first.
My
Sorry.
strategy is to go last, so whoever does the biggest number, I'll know and get more.
She's keeping an eye on everyone. She wants to see what you get first before she goes. All right, so y'all heard Jasmine's little strategy. She waits for everybody else to go, and then she's gonna go. So she is up next, the champion. This is how she warms up. Okay, Jazz, chill. All right, so Jazz, come here. How many are you gonna get day 30? Oh, Jasmine, you can't sit on me. I just did pistol squats.
31.
You think you're gonna get 31?
Yes.
All I have to say is, good luck.
Actually, like me.
Okay. Oh, that's kind of cute. All right, you ready, Jazz?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. All right, Jazz, it's recording. You're up. Okay, Deanie. Jasmine's going. We all have to count for her. Okay, can you sit down?
Seat.
Can't walk in front of the.
Seat.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Who was 9?
10.
That
Come on,
was
control. Let's go.
10,
This.
11,
12.
12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Oh, wow.
31, 32, 32. Woo! Good job, Jasmine.
Wow.
Excellent work.
Good job.
That was amazing. Jasmine, I can't even say that I'm
gonna
surprised.
fall my leg.
Aww. They're sore, right? Aw, you did an amazing job. I can't say that I expected any less because I know that this is just you. So, honestly, Amazing work, champ. All right, guys, we are getting into round 2, and we are gonna start off with
Dane King, you're up.
For money drop.
Danny. Danny, you ready? What? This is Danny's new dance, guys. Go, Danny. All right, Danny. 13 on the right.
Is this right?
Yes, like that.
There you go. 1, 2,
You got these, you got these.
3,
This is your left.
4, 5,
6.
6,
Come on, push through, you got them.
7.
7.
Nice, Danny.
Good control.
8. Good
Come
job.
so far, buddy.
9. Look
Nine.
how straight that leg is.
Nice.
10. 3 more, Danny. 11. 12.
12.
Last one.
13.
Good job.
Woo! With time to spare.
You killed it.
Amazing work on that right leg.
The download.
Yeah, okay. Down low. Too slow. Down low. Oh, you got me. Good job. All right, one more. Okay, you got me. All right, guys. So Greg's here, ready to crush 12 on the right leg. All right, let's get it. All right, Greg. Should be easy for you. Look at those legs. Woo. All right, Greg. Let's go.
It's just 12, right?
That's it. Yep.
Oh my gosh, why does it feel so hard?
Then the tapes.
1, 2,
Officially.
3, 4,
Stop. Stop.
5,
And stop.
6, 7,
Really can pull you off of me.
8,
It's very strong.
9, 10, 2 more, 11, last one,
I still got you. And no one's getting pissed.
12. Oh, no, you almost got yourself stuck?
Does that count?
Yes. We'll count it because we're nice. All right. Who's up next? Good work, Greg. Am I up next?
You're up.
Yep.
Oh my goodness. I got this. You ready?
Yes.
Here we go.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Okay.
5, 6,
6,
7, 8,
8,
9,
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17,
Come on.
18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24.
Last one.
Come on, push.
20,
25.
Oh.
So much easier on the right side.
Amaya switched places with me, so I'm going next.
How did that feel, Mom?
Like, I'm so done. I'm so tired. My knees are cracking, making all sorts of noise.
But you got them, 25.
I got them. Yeah, that's how you do it.
Good work.
Thank you.
All right, Maya's up. She's gonna get 23.
A building.
23, that's all she needs. 1, 2, ooh.
You got these. Come on.
3, straight leg. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, straight leg, 23.
No problem.
Yes. Good
Good
work.
job.
Nice, so it's official. It's over, it's done. How do you feel?
Tired.
I know, it's a lot of work. And it's at the end of our day. It's like bedtime now. Yes. All right, we have last but not least, Princess Jasmine. All right, Jasmine, this is gonna be it. How many do you have to get on the right?
31.
31? Is
Right?
it gonna, yeah, you're right. Is it gonna be easy to get?
Yeah.
All right, let's see you do it, champ. All right, Jazz. 1, 2, 3, 4,
I'm gonna get this.
5,
Do them properly. 6.
6,
All the way
7,
up.
8, 9,
Keep that leg straight out.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Ooh.
Come on, 18,
19, 20, 21, straight leg,
22,
23, 24, 25, 26,
Keep that leg out.
27,
Straight in front.
28,
Not to the side. Come on. Jasmine.
28, 29, 30, 31!
Oh.
You just made it! Good job, champ. Good job.
All right, let's do the finals.
Yes. Tally it up.
All right, Daddy, 383.
Woo!
Mom, 581.
Woo-hoo.
Which happened to be Amaya's previous score,
Oh, yeah.
plus 23. Maya has 604.
What?
I would have caught her.
All right, but Jasmine.
We'll do Danny.
Okay. 327 plus 13.
So Danny has...
340.
Oh, nice, Danny. And now for the champ. What is her total?
I think it's like 800 and something. 805.
Okay, Matilda. 814. Good job, Jasmine. That's amazing.
That's cute.
What? Good work.
Good job, Jazzy.
Yeah, seriously.
Jazz, being the champion, gets to pick what she wants to have for dinner. So what are we having?
Chicken wings, fries, onion rings,
Chicken wings, fries.
and onion
Is this the
rings.
spicy fries?
Yeah. And onion rings.
And onion rings? Where are the onion rings come from? Do they do onion rings too? All right, we're gonna find out.
Probably, yeah.
Onion rings. And a frosty from Wendy's.
And a frosty for
A
Wendy's.
chocolate frosty.
That's your dessert?
No, that's my drink.
Well, it's a dessert more so. What's the?
It's both then.
Okay, well, you have time to
Oh,
think about it.
I know. I want a vanilla bean from Starbucks.
Ooh,
A vanilla bean
drink.
frappuccino? Is that what they are?
Yeah.
I think so.
So for the finals, we just want to show you guys like our leg development. So who are we gonna start with? Jazz. Yes, the champ. All right, Jasmine. Let's see your quads. Here we go. And flex the quads. Squeeze. Nice legs. Wow. Okay. I can see the separation. Yes. Very good work. Very good work. Nice. Next for the quad show is Amaya. All right, Maya. Flex.
Pushing these out, squeezing hard.
There it goes. Keep squeezing. Go! Okay.
Okay.
Whoa! Danny fled. Squeeze him. Jeez.
Show us those quads.
Oh my goodness. Wow, Danny. Excellent work. Look at those quads. Squeeze them. Good work. Danny. All right, so Daddy's gonna show you what some serious quads look like. Look at him giving it a little shake. Ooh, oh my gosh.
Dad, we're having a date.
Oh my goodness. That's insane. That's insane.
Is that
Good. Yeah, it's so good. So happy. Amazing. All that pistol squat and double leg work. All right, I do not have shorts on today. You'll have to wait till the summer.
Lazy.
No, it's not
Didn't
lazy.
want to get pretty for us.
Yeah, no. But you can still see my quads through these pants. They're probably like the
Can
best
we though?
pants to see my quads.
I want to see legs.
Okay, ready? 1, 2.
Oh wow, those are good legs though. Jeez, Mom.
Imagine
Yeah, I think that's satisfactory.
Right?
Why don't I get to see them in shorts though? How long do I have to wait for that?
Well, when it's over like 25 degrees.
Over 25?
Yes, hot weather. But
I'm
yes.
gonna call you on that. The first day it's over 25 degrees, we get to see Mommy's legs. Good job, Mom.
All right, guys, so that concludes the Fit Family Pistol Squat Challenge. 30-day challenge. We did it, team.
Can I please
Yeah,
go
we
to
did.
the- I am so tired.
Yes, these
All right,
kids are
you
so
guys
tired.
get
But
to go.
hold on, guys. What are we doing next? I'm sure people are going to wonder what
Oh my
exercise
God.
are we going to do next?
Drop a comment down below.
Yes, let
what
us know.
exercise should we do
We
next?
haven't done abs yet.
I think it'll be abs.
Yes. But
I'm good at abs.
It'll be
Eat
some kind of
sit-ups.
ab work. You
I'll
you
win.
think you're good at abs until it becomes a
I
challenge.
need you to win, Amaya.
Oh my gosh.
Yes. What do you guys want to see? We'll
V
try.
sit-ups, V sit-ups.
But
These sit-ups.
these kids can go all night, so we like to do exercises that are typically harder for them
Or we
to
can
do.
sit-ups.
And
Yeah, I thought pistol squats would be harder for them
Yeah.
to do.
but it didn't work out that way. They were doing reps on reps on reps.
Yeah.
So, anyways, guys, yes, we'll see what the next challenge is. I just want to say good work. Excellent work to everybody for staying consistent and just pushing past your limits. You guys know your mind is the limit. Whatever you think you can do, you can do. All right? I guess we will see you guys once Jasmine gets her meal.
All right, guys, it is the weekend. It's time for the champs meal. So I've already ordered the bulk of it. So your wings, spicy fries, onion rings. Now we're going to get your drink. What are we getting?
I have no idea, but it's gonna be at Starbucks.
All right, let's go to Starbucks. Go. All right, Jazz. What did you end up getting?
A cotton candy frappuccino.
Does that sound good? Excited for that? I didn't know there was such a thing. No. All right, so they're just making it now.
A few minutes later.
All right, guys. Jasmine got her cotton candy frappuccino.
I want to try some.
I know you want to try it so bad. I'm hoping you can wait till you get home. The thing is, while we're sitting here waiting, I got my message from Uber that the food has been delivered, and it's been like 7 minutes that it's been sitting on my step now. I've called Chantel twice, and I'm texting her, and no answer. So I don't know if the food's just sitting outside all this time, but we're going to go find out. So we're going to rush home, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
For the champ. Yes, Jazz. Yeah.
What you drinking, Jazz?
A cotton candy frappuccino.
How good is that?
10 out of 10.
Oh! All right,
Nice.
let's get into this.
All right, guys. So Danny just woke up.
Who woke me up?
I did. Ready to celebrate Jasmine's pistol squat win? You have to try her frappuccino. Oh, that's a big yawn, Dini. So it's time to eat. I need to win. I think I would do something just a bit different.
I like the Amaya's idea.
Yeah, Amaya had a sick idea, but Amaya needs to win. We're all counting on Amaya. If we want a different meal, somebody else has to win because Jasmine is like stuck on her chicken wings, spicy chili fries, and this is new. The onion rings are new. We didn't get it the last 2 times we've done this challenge. But anyways, huge congrats to Jasmine. She earned this meal.
Her plate.
Oh my gosh, Jazz. Looks so good.
Are you over there?
Yep.
For sure.
Bring it over.
All right, Danny's finally awake and he's going to try Jasmine's cotton candy frappuccino. It's good, right?
What people do when they don't like it?
He likes
So good.
it. Danny, you need to win a Fit Family Challenge. So then we can get what you want.
I'll never win.
That's not true. What are you saying? That is not true.
But you're older than me.
No. Jasmine's killing us and she's younger than us.
Can we start eating?
She's beating me and Daddy, so it's not true. Age does not matter.
Because you guys have cracked ankles.
Cracked ankles?
Yeah.
It's more like my knees, but still. So, Amaya, I heard that you want a different meal.
Yes.
Why is that?
Because every time we're just gonna get chicken wings and chicken wings and chicken wings.
Chicken wings are so good.
I know, but not all the time.
Oh my goodness. Well then, you need to step it up and win.
Yeah, I do.
So the next challenge, you're gonna win?
Yeah.
Guys, what are we doing for the next
We have
challenge?
to do abs.
You're gonna win abs, Amaya?
Yes.
Amaya.
Yes.
Okay, hold up.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. Hold up. I do abs like every day. I can't say that I can do more than like 30 at a time, but it's gonna be an accumulative score, which is good, but abs are really hard.
Yeah. We need a challenge.
Pistol squat was a challenge. Push-ups was a challenge. Chin-ups were a challenge.
Yeah, but like we need an ab challenge. If we did abs, what do you think like
What?
we would want?
Which ab exercise?
Yeah.
I really don't know. I'd leave it up to you guys.
V sit-ups.
Oh my god. Okay, we'll see. We'll see. Can you do V sit-ups, champ? Can you do a lot of them?
Can you show us on the...
Oh man.
A V sit-up?
Yeah, please show us, Amaya. So Amaya's gonna win this challenge.
So you're straight like this, right? And then you're up and down.
I'm going to touch my toes with a straight leg.
Oh my
But I
goodness.
don't think what is it, as many as you can do in a minute?
Yes, we have to put a timer on things. They'll go forever. You know this.
Can I?
All right, guys, so we're going to enjoy this beautiful meal. Thank you, Jasmine. And congrats once more, champ. That's amazing. All right, guys, we are going to end the vlog here today. But before we do, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell
Up there.
because we don't want you to miss a thing. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Oh, Danny, come. There we go.
A Frosty too? Jazz? Oh my goodness. Congrats, champ.
Thank you. Oh, and guys, I got a Frosty.
Yeah, Danny got one too.
Oh, careful. The lids come off.
Check.